How to watch YouTube and use other apps. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can watch YouTube and use other apps while watching YouTube in the background as well. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now the first things first, what you can do is you can get a YouTube Premium. You can simply open up YouTube, you can head into your profile, and there you can go ahead and you can get the YouTube Premium to open it on the background. And here you can see get YouTube Premium. If you get YouTube Premium, you'll be able to play YouTube in the background as it says. Now if you don't want to get YouTube Premium, then this option might work for you. Now this might be available in most of the smartphones, but it might not be available in few older versions of smartphones. What you can do is you can go ahead to background apps, open up YouTube, go ahead to background apps. You can see I have one active in background, that is only YouTube. Now you want to tap and hold on that particular option, and you can see drop here for pop-up preview. You can simply drop it here, and you can see now it's played in the background. The other way is you can open up YouTube, you can tap and hold and then drag it to the upper side of the screen, and you can see now the YouTube is being played. Now I can open up any video at the top of the screen, and down below I can simply go ahead and use another app as well. So this is the way you can watch YouTube and use other apps on smartphones. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.